Welcome to the desktop controller configuration guide for your MantaroBot. This video is best viewed in full screen, 1080p. Before continuing, make sure you've installed the desktop controller for your version of the MantaroBot. If not, please see our installation guide in the video description below. If you didn't create a desktop icon during installation, the controller can also be found under the Start menu. After doing either of these steps, open your MantaroBot's controller application. To call your MantaroBot, you can choose between two control paths, Direct Socket or Mantaro's Communication Service, also called MCS. Direct Socket users will be connected on a virtual private network or the same network as your MantaroBot. This method is primarily used for private or corporate networks where traffic can't leave the IT infrastructure. Users that subscribe to MCS pay a monthly fee to use our cloud-based service for communicating robot control commands. This method is ideal for users that can't connect to their MantaroBot on the same network, including as a remote user on a virtual private network. After choosing your control path, select an option for your conferencing application from the next drop-down box. If you're using Skype as your conferencing application, choose Skype from the drop-down box, and be sure to have your MantaroBot Skype username ready to add as a contact. If you're not using Skype as your conferencing application, choose Other. If you choose this option, you'll have to manually place a call to your MantaroBot when you drive it. Once you've chosen your control path and conferencing application, fill in the fields below to call your MantaroBot. You can enter any name into the description field, but it's best practice to choose a name that clearly describes your MantaroBot. If you're a direct socket user, enter your MantaroBot's base name or IP address into the final field. If you're an MCS subscriber, enter your MantaroBot's serial number. The base name or serial number of your MantaroBot can be found on the bot itself or the information sheet provided after purchasing the bot. If you don't know your MantaroBot's IP and you're a direct socket user, you can find it manually if you're the administrator of your network. After filling in those fields, follow the next steps based on your conferencing platform. If you're using Skype as your conferencing platform, you'll be prompted to enter your MantaroBot's Skype username. If you're using a conferencing application other than Skype, you will be reminded to manually call your MantaroBot when driving it. Then, log in with your approved MantaroBot user credentials. You are now ready to call your MantaroBot. For other product inquiries or to schedule a test drive, visit our official website at www.mantarobot.com. Thank you.